Hey guys, today we're making this really yummy plain vanilla cake. It's a really quick and easy recipe and it's super delicious. It goes really well with some tea or coffee and it's so yummy. As always, the full recipe will be in the description box below and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, so we're going to start off in a bowl and you're going to crack in your eggs. Once your eggs are cracked, then you're going to whisk this with the stand mixer or electric mixer and whisk this until it's nice and light and fluffy. It should look like this. Once you've reached that stage, then you can slowly start adding in your sugar and then just beat this really well. It should lighten in color, like this. Once it's light and fluffy, then you can set that to the side. Into a separate pot, you're going to measure out your butter and your milk. Now this is technically a hot milk cake, and that's why you're going to take the milk and butter over to the stove and then melt this and let it come to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, take it off the stove and let it cool down slightly till it's warm. To the egg and sugar mixture, you're going to sift in your flour. And sifting just gets rid of any lumps, so your batter is really nice and smooth. And then you're going to add in your baking powder. And then just mix this till it's slightly combined. Don't overmix this as it will deflate if you do so. Then you can add in a generous splash of vanilla essence and then just mix that through. It should look like this. Once your milk has done boiling and it's cooled down slightly, then you can add this slowly to your batter, like this. And you must mix while adding in the milk mixture. And it should form a nice, silky smooth, glossy batter, like this. Once your batter is ready, then you can spray 2 small tins or Pyrex dishes with some non-stick cooking spray, or you could use 1 large tin or Pyrex dish, and then just pour your batter right into the Pyrex dishes. Make sure you distribute them evenly. And then you want to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Keep an eye on them, and once they bake through, then you can take them out. And just look at how beautifully they bake. And that's it. Once it's done baking, then let it cool down and then enjoy. Serve it with some tea or coffee or just plain. It's so yummy. And it's the easiest plain cake recipe ever. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.